Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm starting off by washing my hair with Treluxe's Curl Renew and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. And I really do love the smell of this shampoo, and it also gives me a nice lather, good enough to cleanse my scalp. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue washing my hair. So this is how my hair looks after I finish washing my hair and deep conditioning it. No product in it yet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by sectioning my hair. I'm gonna do a half, and then I'm gonna start working on one of those sections. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my spray bottle and just dampen this section. I like to make sure my hair is soaking wet before I start applying any product throughout my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with their Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner, which it has like a refreshing smell. Smells very natural. It doesn't smell like fragrance. It's not like a fragrance smell like most products. Now they have like a perfumey smell to them. I actually like the smell of this, and it applies very well. It's not like a thick consistency. It's like just right. And then I'm gonna go on with the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream, which I love. You guys don't have to use all of these products together. It could be like the leave-in and then the serum that I'm gonna show you guys, or this curling cream and the serum that I'm gonna show you guys. But all of their products apply very well, and it leaves my hair very moisturized, and it looks very shiny, which never really happens. After I do that, I'm gonna go in with the Reflex Curl Styling Serum. Okay, so you guys, if you've been following me, you know I'm not like a big fan of like gels or anything like that. But whenever I can find a combination that doesn't flake or anything like that when you apply it with a leave-in or cream, I am all for it. So I definitely do love the definition that it's giving me. So what I like to do is I like to try and apply as much to my roots as I can get, because lately I've just been getting like a lot of frizz in my roots. So I'm trying to like minimize as much frizz as possible. So that's what you guys see me like really focusing on my roots. So I'm just gonna take that leave-in, and then I'm gonna go on with the curling serum just to kind of like, you know, minimize as much frizz as possible. And yeah, so I'm just gonna basically repeat those steps, and then you guys will see the final product. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like, 100% dried. I know, it looks so good. Yeah, so much volume and definition. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.